Side brush motor. To remove the side brush, you need to do as the following steps. Turn over the robot. Unscrew all screws on the bottom rod and bottom shell. Take off the bottom rod. Turn over the robot. Hold one end of the bumper and take off the bumper connection wire and connector. Then the bumper could be removed. Take out the dust box. Remove the face shell. Unscrew the screws on the anti-lock upper component and the mainboard. Then remove the anti-lock component. Pull out the side brush motor connector. Unscrew the screw of the micro-motion spring dial. Press over the micro-motion spring dial by hand to prevent the compressor spring from flying. Unscrew the screws on the side brush motor. Remove the corresponding side brushes. Take out the motor. How to install back? Put the new side brush motor on the right position and screw tightly. Install the spring dial and screw up. Connect the side brush motor wire. Install the upper anti-lock component. Connect the wire and the screw up. Tighten the screws on the main board. Install the face shell. Connect the bumper connection wire and the connector. Install the bumper and make sure it can spring back properly. Turn over the robot, tighten the screws on bottom shell. Install bottom rod and tighten 6 screws. Install side brush and dust box.